Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S9 Ultra tab, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode and also get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. So, to get started, we'll need a cable so we can boot the device into recovery mode. You want to plug it into your computer and just have it ready. Now, before I get started, I am going to quickly mention that this will allow you to get rid of a screen lock. But if you also have a Google or Samsung account signed in, this will then lock your device. And when you're going through the setup process, once the reset is finished, you will be forced to verify either the previously utilized screen lock or the Google or Samsung account. Now, if you had both Google and Samsung account, it will obviously opt into Samsung. But if you had only one of them, then it will choose either one of those which you had signed into. Now, with that being said, I would typically also mention that I usually record bypasses for this kind of protective measures for people that don't know either one of them. But at the moment of recording this reset, I have no way of bypassing them as far as I know. At the moment I haven't found any that would work. So if you don't know your Google or Samsung account and the screen lock, just know that your tablet will basically become a paperweight. A TV-sized paperweight, but paperweight nonetheless. So just want to point that out before we get started. Now, that being said, I don't think I have a screen lock set. I don't, but the process will still stand. So actually, just for the purpose, I am gonna set it up. Now obviously I'm setting up the screen lock, and even though I know it, because I did just set it up, I'm gonna proceed with this as though I don't know it. So, number one, we're gonna hold our power button and volume down. Now the reason we're gonna do that is because if you try to turn off the device, normally Samsung will give you this, there we go, will give you this annoying pop-up to draw the pattern to turn it off. Are you absolutely stupid here? Samsung, come on. On your own device, this is literally redundant because I can just do this. So get screwed. So we're gonna hold power button and volume down, and after a moment you will see this. The device just turned off. Plug it in and then hold power button and volume up. Now after a moment you should see a Samsung logo on the screen. Come on, there we go. And Galaxy. Once you see the Galaxy, let go of the power button, keep holding volume up. And this boots us into recovery mode without needing to provide the idiotic screen lock, because it's that much helpful for us. Anyway, in here, using volume buttons, we're gonna select wipe data factory reset and then confirm it with the power button. Then select the second option, because for some reason it's in Russian now. Go figure why. Previous screen was in English. So that's what we're going to select right here. Second option, confirm it. It will give you a message, data wipe complete, and then all of a sudden it goes back to English. Go figure. So we're going to now just press power button because reboot system now will be selected by default. And as you've seen, we didn't need to confirm the screen lock at all. So for booting it off the device, it was absolutely useless. And once it's done, the device will boot up, and I don't have a Google account signed in, so I won't even need to verify the screen lock in the setup process, because the device will not be locked with just a single screen lock. And as you can see, the process is already finished. So from here, you can set it up however you want, assuming you know your Google/Samsung account, and all you needed is to get rid of the screen lock. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.